Hi, welcome back to Technology Harsha. In this video, we are creating a thumbnail in Photoshop. Let's go. Select background picture for your thumbnail and take it. If you want premier looks, tap on the edit auto on bottom of top of the screen. You have a many filters. You can change. You can manually change it also. Your portrait, black and white, natural. These filters are available in Photoshop. You want to highlight your if you want to highlight your title, and you can make thumbnail. You can make adjust also. You can make adjust also. These are all filters from Photoshop. There are a variety filters in Photoshop Express. Now crop crop to YouTube thumbnail or Facebook cover page. If you want to crop into Facebook cover page, tap on it, and I'm keeping title now. Tap your design, what you want. You can tap on it if you like that design. How I'm typing how to make thumbnail. You can make these thumbnails attractive to the viewers. These thumbnails are very important to your video. I'm setting to my image exactly. You can crop it and you can resize it also. Keeping new, it's helpful. This tuition will be. Yeah, you can add the fonts also to your title. These titles in available in Photoshop, and you can color the name and total title. If you want to place where you want to place, you can place left, center, right. You can add stickers also. You can add frames also. Keeping cropping the image to YouTube thumbnail, and then save to gallery, and keep the image quality high. Keep the image quality high, then it look premier looks. Then none, save to gallery, and if you want to add photos or logo on it, go to Pics and select that pic you edited on Photoshop. Add photo, click on add photo. Add the photo. and then click on done and set where the photo will fit to the thumbnail. I'm keeping on top of pic. Yeah, there it is. And click on right symbol. I'm adding my logo to thumbnail. I added my thumbnail and I'm making bigger it. Yeah, and click once the editing is completed, click download it. It will save to your gallery, and you can add frame also. I'm adding frame, and then you can save. You can click on download. You can see on top of the screen. You Thank you. This is signing off your Harsha. Please subscribe to Technology Harsha.